Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the optical drive, unlatch the side cover and slide the cover off the system. Identify the optical drive and disconnect the cables. Unlatch and remove the drive from the system. To reinstall the optical drive, place it back in the system and relatch it. Reconnect the cables. Relatch the side cover to the device. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.